Most traders know supply and demand zones work. That's not the problem. The real problem is that most people still lose money trading them. And the reason is simple. They're trading the right zones and the wrong momentum. In this video, I'm going to show you a mechanical way to trade supply and demand that removes guessing completely. No subjective entries, no hope trades, and no need to stare at charts all day. Once you see this, you'll immediately understand why most supply and demand strategies fail and why this one doesn't. Let me show you what I mean. This is Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. Right here, you can see a clean demand zone marked automatically by the flock chart's MTF supply and demand indicator. No drawing, no guessing. It's already done for you. Now pause for a second. Most traders see this and do the same thing every time. Price pull back into the demand zone, they buy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And when it doesn't, they have no idea why. Look at this pullback right here. Perfect zone, clean entry, and the price still breaks straight through it. This is where most traders get confused because the zones was correct. The indicator did its job. So what went wrong? Here's the part nobody talks about. The problem was never the zone. The problem was when the trade was taken. Before I show you how to fix that, quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice and this is a technical trading method for educational purposes only. Always manage your own risk and test everything yourself. Now watch this carefully. Flock charts doesn't just mark zones, it also gives you retest signals and break signals. Most traders ignore the break signals completely. That's a mistake because when a candle closes below a demand zone, that zone didn't fail. It got confused. Orders were absorbed, control changed, and that information is far more valuable than a bounce. Here's the key shift. Instead of buying demand zones, we wait to see if they break. But here's where most people still mess it up. If you blindly trade every break, you will still lose money. So now the question becomes, how do we know which breaks are real? This is where the second layer comes in. I add one confirmation tool, just one, the range oscillator. You can find it directly inside TradingView. Once you add it, go into its settings and set the minimum range length to 400. Then go into the Style tab and set the upper band to plus 200. And the lower band to minus 200. That's it. Now, don't skip this part. This oscillator does one thing only. It tells you if the market is trending or ranging. If the lines stays between two bands, the market is choppy. Breaks fail, zones get reclaimed. If the line is above plus 200, the market is on an uptrend. If If it's below minus 200, the market is in a downtrend. Nothing else matters. Now watch how this changes everything. Look at the supply zone on the Bitcoin. Flux charts marks it automatically. Price approaches the zone. We do nothing. The price breaks above the zone and closes. Now we check the oscillator. If the oscillator is above plus 200, at that moment, the breakout is valid. That's your buy. A stop loss goes below the most recent swing low. And take profit as set at a minimum of 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. No prediction, no anticipation, just confirmation. Now look at the opposite example. Here's a demand zone. Price breaks below it and closes. Again, we do not enter yet. We check the oscillator. If it's below minus 200, so the market is in a downtrend. That breakout is valid. That's your sell. A stop loss above the recent swing high. And same risk to reward ratio for target. This is why this strategy works. You're not trading zones, you're trading control shifts in trending markets. Most traders lose because they trade a structure without context. This adds context without complexity. So, if you want the flux charts MTF supply and demand indicator, you can get it with a 15% discount using the link below this video or in the pinned comment. Trade less, wait for confirmation, and let the market prove itself before you risk anything.